Hi there. So today there is no entry since I have my exam in the morning. I did tape reading though. My draw negative was right in the morning. I was bearish since I have a lot of confidence for to go for sell. It's worked really well and it gave a lot of entries in the morning. But the sell entry which I expected played really good and it was really a nice move today. Mm, so what I'm going to explain here, just go all the way towards weekly time frame. Because in weekly time frame, you can get the clear picture what's going on right now. So price come all the way down, sweep this liquidity, and this still holding the price, push all the way up. And we do have one big bearish fair value gap in weekly time frame. So price get into the fair value gap in the morning. In daily time frame, this whole swing um, has been recovered. Like price come all the way down and sweep the liquidity like the low, and the weekly fair value holding the price pushing higher. And the only thing is, important thing is the fair value gap got ran through to the upside. This is the bullish fair value gap. Sorry, bearish fair value gap got ran through, but I just marked out this bearish fair value gap. This is the only fair value gap inside this range. Significant fair value gap, exactly at the equilibrium level. So I expect some sort of reaction here. So I marked out this fair value gap. Yesterday I marked up this fair value gap as well, but unfortunately didn't give any reaction. But today, once it completely filled the fair value gap, it started to give a good reaction, nice reaction today. Today, what happened? The previous day high has been swept. Price come all the way down uh, towards lower and clear out the previous day low. Um, and this inversion beautifully gives some nice reaction today. 4 hour, what happened? In 4 hours, you can clearly see it's keep on going all the way up, all the way towards this liquidity. It's keep on going higher, all the way up towards this liquidity. Once this liquidity has been taken, once price get into this fair value gap, especially into this inversion, it start to sell off. It's flipped this fair value gap and start to sell all the way towards downside. I marked out this fair value gap and expected the price to reach this low. That was my game plan. This is a fair value gap that I marked in the morning. This was the fair value gap. I consider it as a clean engineering liquidity and this fair value gap remain unfilled. So I expect the price to reach this low at least. And this is also a previously low and also a liquidity aligned with the H4 bullish fair value gap. So I expected the price to reach this low. This is H4. In H1, what I got still the same. Liquidity buy sell liquidity has been taken. Good expansion move all the way up. Nice expansion, loss expansion move. And it's you can clearly see it's engineering the liquidity and it's leave this fair value gap open. Beautiful fair value gaps here. And it's clearly engineered the liquidity here. As soon as the buy side taken on as soon as price get into this H4, H1 bullish fair value gap, sorry, bearish fair value gap, it start to sell off. You can clearly see the previous day high, sweep, structure shift, start to sell off. And it's a beautiful sell. And I got in the morning I got two bearish fair value gaps like this one, extremely premium level, and this got a fair value gap. So I marked out this fair value gap and I focused this. Reason behind that is I don't expect to see price go all the way up to that point. I only expect the price to hold here because this is in the lower time frame, this is the current leg, so I don't like to see price go all the way up. This is that liquidity that I marked in the morning. Now I move on to 15 minutes. So in 15 minutes, as you can clearly see, this is the thing that I marked in the morning. Um, Good sell all the way down, and this is a recently formed bearish fair value gap. As soon as price sweep this liquidity entered this bullish fair value gap, it started to reverse its direction and it failed to clear out. I can explain this thing in 1 minute. So as of now, this is just a 15 minutes time frame. Tuesday high speed structure shift. It's keep on coming lower, and it's gives some sort of reaction here, and give some reaction manipulating to the upside down. So as soon as price reach this fair value gap like 1 hour and 15 minutes, it start to give nice reaction. It's leave the fair value up, it's holding and keep on going lower all the way towards my engineered liquidity. The previous day low and achieved bullish fair value gap. And price reach this point. This is my draw liquidity in the morning. This was my draw liquidity. So I don't think we don't. I guess we don't want this, bro. Yeah. As you can clearly see, this is our current leg, right? This is our current leg. This is a whole swing. This is a whole swing, but this is where I get the structure shift, and this is the swing which gave this structure shift and displacement, right? The price come all the way down to this liquidity. As you can clearly see, it's engineered the liquidity before that and swept one more time, and it started to expand higher. As soon as I see this rejection candle, I enter my position right here. I'm expecting higher prices towards this liquidity. This was in the morning. I just tried to tape reading here. But what happened here is it's come and tap, expecting go all the way up. It's failed to reach this fair value, failed to get into this fair value. It's come all the way down. This where I got the news candles. Come all the way down, manipulation to the downside. Sweep the low one more time, and this M15 is still holding the price. Sweep this initial move one more time here, and it's still holding the price, and it's still holding the price, and keep on going up all the way up towards this liquidity. It's cleared out it's cleared out this internal liquidities. Once it get onto this level, it start to sell off dramatically towards my anticipated target. This should be a first a TP1 and this should be a TP2. Yeah, in 5 minutes it's very clear. As soon as it reach this level, big down plus candle and the travel up holding the price pushing lower, again pushing lower. As soon as it sweep this liquidity, what happened here? As soon as it sweep this liquidity, it instantly flipped this fair value gap and created this fair value gap. So people might think we can go for buy, but that's where we get trapped. This whole move is just because to tap the breaker. So this is where we get the structure shift, right? So this whole move is just because to tap the breaker. As you can clearly see where the price exactly stopped. It's go up, rejection. The second candle rejected, flip the fair value gap, and it's getting tapped and keep on going lower all the way towards our draw on liquidity. This is in 5 minutes. What about in 1 minute? In 1 minute, the thing which I'm marked here is not something that valid. So yeah, so this is the entry which I should avoid. I don't think it's a good entry. It's a displacement value in 5 minutes, but besides that, I don't find anything valuable. But this entry and this entry was top notch, high quality entry. So what I expected here is this just engineer the liquidity swept one more time, sweep, flip all the fair value gap. And I clearly know it's clearly engineered the liquidity, so it's going to get ran through. So what I'm expecting here is as soon as it's getting respected, I expect the price to reach towards this fair value gap. I expect the price to sweep all the engineered liquidity high, this high. Then we can linkage in sell model like this. But unfortunately, it didn't happen as per my intention. What happened here is as soon as as soon as it reaches this place, it's failed to clear out this high. Instantly, it start to sell off. Sweep the low one more time. Now it start to print. And the important thing is this M15 family up still holding the price, and I can see the SMT here. So when I was in the morning, I saw the SMT in with the Euro USD. So yeah, so this is where I got the SMT. As soon as it's print the SMT, what happened? The reaction is flip this recently found bearish family gap, and it's keep on rejecting. So we can execute some position here, put the stop at this low and expecting some higher prices. because at this point of time, Euro USD gives big displacement structure shift fair value gap candle. So and it's also printed assembly, so we can trust this model all the way up towards this liquidity at least, and we can expect some sort of sell model here. So what happened here is it's a good SMT structure shift, nice flip. Let's keep on pushing the price higher and come again. This gives some pullback. So low, high, swept one more time, structure shift again, getting again come lower. It's a clean market, make it buy model, bro. It's keep on going higher all the way towards this liquidity, towards this imbalance. As soon as price reach this imbalance, what happened here? This is a clean A plus plus market maker model, bro. Why? As soon as it reaches imbalance, this is the lost manipulation candle. This is the lost manipulation candle after this swing high. So people, what people most probably think, this is a structure shift. Sorry, this is the breakout. So we can go for buy and targeting higher prices. But what actually happened in this? This is just a manipulation leg towards upside. And this fair value, if you mark out this fair value, it's what happened here. It's it's completely get filled, go all the way up. This high getting swept. As soon as it swept the high, what happened next? It's literally flipped this fair value. This is the first leg manipulation. As soon as it's clears out the first leg, it literally gave the flip. This is where we can engage if you got the context rightly. You can execute the position here. Otherwise, you can execute the position right here and put the stop at the high. Targeting what this is the DP1, and this should be our TP2, and this should be our TP3. Everything has been taken, and it's keep on going lower and lower. Beautiful entry, beautiful catch. So we could caught this buy entry. It solely it's actually how much it's give. It's give 1 is to 3.5. If I'm not 1 is to 4, I guess. Yeah, it's 1 is to 4, but we don't want that much. 1 is to 3 is more than enough. If we can close our position right here, 1 is to 3 is more than enough, bro. And what happened here is A plus plus model, the lost manipulation candle completely get filled. First leg getting swept. First leg getting swept. Inversion. We can exit the position here. Put the stop at the high, expecting the fair value to hold and give the structure shift. That's what exactly happened. Big displacement, structure shift, flip then fair value gap, and come all the way up. Come and tap the breaker one more time. As soon as it's tapped the, I don't think it's tapped. It's kind of tap. As soon as it's tapped the breaker, big down close candle, keep on going lower. Again, a structure shift here. Structure shift, boom. Structure shift, right? And again, boom. As soon as it's sweep, what? As soon as it's sweep the liquidity, as soon as it's sweep the liquidity, it's keep on going higher, all the way towards the breaker, and then it start to reverse its direction, like sweep, start to reverse its direction, all the way going lower and lower. That's everything for today. I didn't took any entry in futures and forex. I'm just day trading today. When I got some time in the morning, I just tape reading, and while I was in the class, I just tape reading. It's just because I have some exams, so I don't want to do trading when I have my exam. So I was a bit pressurized for due to my examination. That's why I'm not execute any positions. I plan to tape it and just tape it. There is no entry, not even a single entry. Not, that's even though it's looking super good. And one more thing, I'm not. This is the only entry I just tape reading in the live session. These are all the things. This was my plan, and I uh, identified it in the hindsight, not in the live trading. I'm not doing all those thing in live trading, but this was my game plan. So most probably I expect execute my position here or here for sure. And I don't think I might execute this question or not. I am not sure. But after I got this move, I identified as SMT, structure shift, everything in Euro USD and GBPSD. But this entry is dumb clear, bro. As soon as price clear out all the liquidity, as soon as price reach this fair value gap, we got the nice reaction, so we can engage in the price entry and put the stop at the high and targeting this lower price. So this should be the target, and the final take profit should be this, and let's keep on going lower. That's it. Have fun. I'll do live trading in tomorrow morning. Hope if we get any good entry, we can execute some positions tomorrow. Okay, see you soon. Bye.